Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In the last video we have finished for creating a profile, and this video we're going to create a user profile picture which allows user to edit update image. Let's start by opening up the text editor, and we are going to create a new file. We save a file to a user folder. And let's call this file user profile picture .php, and then we go to change password .php file here. All we need to do is to select out this code. Hold Control A to select out and Control C to copy, and we move it to user file here and paste that. We go to heading to text here. We need to change it to user profile picture and save the file. We come back to my account.php file here. All we need to do is to copy this line and here paste that here and change case profile to user profile picture, and edit profile.php. We change it to user profile picture. We go to user profile sidebar here. All we need to do is to copy edit profile line here, and Control C to copy. We sum down line and paste that here. We change action profile parameter here. We change it to user profile picture, and edit profile text. We also remove this and type user profile picture. Now let's save the file and test it out. We come back to web browser and below the page copy user profile link here. We select that and a user profile picture. A user profile picture has attached to my account page. We come back to user profile picture here. We're going to remove all of these security code here. We remove that, and also change name with password. We and new password. And country city contact address, Now let's say apply and below page once again. Let me see. Set image field display on a user file. And next thing that we need to do is to process a form data for image. We can do that by come back to if statement here. And the first thing that we need to do is to change name value here. We change it to user profile picture, and value we change it to shape. Which we change this to user profile picture. Let me see. This is a key that we have selected here. We move up this code and also country. This is now really to start processing image form data, and let's do that by typing if and not empty variable files and a key image and name. We go to the bottom of variable image theme here. All we need to do is to add variable target file and specify upload file folder here, and slash. Go ahead and put a variable image. If not empty variable files image name, we just file exists. We sometimes feel like another if statement. We can just check the file if file already exists. We will do that by using a file exists function, and if file exists, specify a variable target file. If the file already exists, we define a variable upload. Okay. equal variable equals and a message variable and this equal to dot equals file already exists. And upload OK here. If not empty file image name, we add another variable upload OK equal 1 and message equal empty. If file already exists, we need to basic comment here. We slash side and check if file already exists. And on top of job if statement here, we also basic comment just if file not empty. We else statement here, and inside else statement we another if statement. If move upload file here and save file web for image same here. We just need to copy that and paste that into move upload file function here. And put a comma and target file here. We also copy that and paste that here. And we also else statement. And inside else statement, we set a variable message and dot sign equal the file and base name. Web or image has been uploaded. Sorry, we push a message. We just need to cut and move it to inside if statement. And inside else segment we also select a message here. Just need to copy that and paste that into else segment. And we change this to sorry, there was an error uploading your file. Now let's save file and just our web browser. We save the file and we format your web browser below page. Let's try by click on a browse text here. Let's specify a folder and we try a image that we have just selected and let's on the save button. Nothing happened here. We have some workroom. We come back to and fix a file workroom here because I forgot to put HTML preset here. We go to at the bottom of the PHP code here. We set it to a preset and close it. And inside a preset we add PHP code. If insert web or message, we echo web or message. And inside a preset we add style property. The color we give this a green color and margin left 15 pixel. And let's save the file. We just out again. We will load the page. Let's say message sorry file already exists has slide here. We will choose and select our image once again and open. Click on the save again. You say sorry file already exists. Because we see a file exists here and save file target folder here. Oh, block files image.